Hello everyone, my name is Ilya Zavelov and I want to present you the architecture of the OpenCloud project. The central part is the server that acts as a repository of user data and user files. You can interact with the server through the REST API. It allows you to perform the following operations: upload user files, delete them, create markups, tasks, file conversion, create new users, and manage user credentials. For data storage, the MongoDB database is used. For storing user files, we use file system. The next important part of this project is the job runner application. It serves to perform the file conversion tasks. For example, the client application created a new task to convert user file from DWG format to geometry format. In this case, job runner will receive notification that a new task has been created. Then it will download all necessary information and resources which are needed to perform this task, and then it will carry it out. It is important to clarify that job runner interact with the server through the REST API and can be run on another server instance. These are all parts of the backend. For the front end, we use the following components. The first is the demo viewer, which actually React-based web application, which show how you can interact with the server. But of course, this is not the required technology stack. The OpenCloud architecture allows you to use any technology stack for web application. An important part of the OpenCloud project is the Visualize.js library. This is a highly compiled Visualize project written in C++ to the new WebAssembly format. We use YAML scripting toolset to compile Visualize project to WebAssembly format. In general, the architecture of the OpenCloud project allows you to easily scale it. That's why resource-intensive operations such as processing CAD and BIM files were transferred to a separate job runner application. The number of such applications can be increased and decreased, which allows you to keep balance between performance and infrastructure costs. The OpenCloud architecture is flexible enough and can be configured to meet your requirements. For example, the server can be replaced with your implementation, and you can only use the job runner application to convert user files. Thus, you can use OpenCloud with your new project or existing projects. One of the priorities of the OpenCloud project is to enable developers to easily work with project components. Therefore, we have prepared a set of interactive examples. By clicking on this link, you can see a list of examples demonstrating various functionalities. Among this list, you can find an example of how to download and open VSF file and implement basic interactions with the scene and the camera. You can copy this code to yourself or change it a little bit in real time. There are also examples on working with cutting planes, selecting objects in the scene, as well as the use of layers, markups, adding new geometry to the scene, and measurement tools. All these examples will help you to better understand how you can use the Visualize.js library.